What's going on, everybody? My name is Mr. Alex. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can install and use the Websocket in OBS Studio so you can use it in softwares like Streamerbot, Lioranboard and any other software that needs to control OBS Studio. Let's get into the video. So first of all, we're going to need to download the plugin from OBS's website, and the easiest way to do that is go to your favorite search engine and just type in OBS Websocket. It will take you to the search results page and it should say OBS-Websocket Remote Control OBS Studio from Websocket. Click that link and it will take you to this page here. Once you're here, if you press download here, it's going to take you to the GitHub page, and from the GitHub page, if we scroll all the way down, we can see that there's the Windows installer and there's also the Windows.zip. Now, depending on how you've got your OBS Studio installed, if you have it in the default location, then you might just want to use the Windows installer. However, if you have your OBS on a separate hard drive, like myself, I have mine on my external hard drive, then you might want to download the Windows.zip. So that's what I'm going to show you today. So click on Windows.zip and it will download in the bottom left hand corner. If you're following along with me, the OBS default location is in local disk C, program files, either x86 or regular, so you have to check both, and then it will be OBS-Studio. And this is what it will look like when you go into that file. However, mine is in my external hard drive, OBS Studio. This is what mine looks like. So we're going to open up the OBS WebSocket zip file that we've just created, and it will look a little like this. It will have a folder called bin, data and OBS-plugins. All we need to do is take those files and drag them into the same directory, and it's going to say, do you want to replace the files in this direction? For me, because I already have it installed. For you, it's not going to say that, and if it does, it's just going to be a few files that it's going to replace. Just say yes and let it do its thing. Now, you do need to have OBS Studio closed when you do this. You can do it when it's open. It doesn't really make a difference, but once you've installed the plugin, you need to close OBS Studio and then reopen it for the changes to take effect. So once it's installed and you've reopened OBS Studio, you need to go over to Tools, and here you'll see a new setting called WebSocket Service Settings. Go into that and you want to make sure you enable the WebSocket server first of all. Change the port to something that you want it to be. You can just leave it at the default, which is 4444, but if you're already using that port for something else, change it to something else. And then something I recommend you do is enable authentication, and then this is where you type in a password that you remember. Once you've done all that, you just press OK. The next thing we need to do is open up Streamerbot, because we're trying to link OBS to Streamerbot, and the way that we do that is first we just open up Streamerbot. So let's wait for that to open, and here we are in Streamerbot. By default you'll be on the viewer's screen, but you need to head over to where it says OBS, and here you can see I've got mine already connected, so I'm going to just delete mine really quickly. So when you look at this screen, it will look completely blank like this. What you need to do is press add, name it whatever you want, so I'm going to name mine OBS main, type in the password that you picked a minute ago and press enter. Now it's going to be added to your Streamerbot, so we can right click it, we're going to press auto connect, and then we're going to right click again and press connect. You'll know if it's worked because on the right hand side here a list of all of your scenes will have appeared. Once you can see that, any action that you create within Streamerbot will now control OBS Studio. And that's it. That is how we install and use the WebSocket for Streamerbot, Lioranboard and any other software that's going to want to take control of OBS Studio. If this video helped you in any way whatsoever, a subscription to the channel would really help. I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers as soon as possible. And of course, if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, because that really helps with the YouTube algorithm. We do also have a Discord community, which is linked down below, full of people who are just like you, streamers who want to level up their streams. But without further ado, that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Take it easy, guys.